Welcome to the owner's class video for Rikon 10 to 325 14-inch Deluxe bandsaw from expertsaw.com. In this video we're going to go over what you need to know to get started. Rikon makes a few different sized bandsaws. Their range is right from the small 10 inches to 18 inches and some even bigger than that. What we ordered from Rikon is model 325, the 14-inch bandsaw. A 14-inch bandsaw is an excellent size for a woodshop. It can handle curve cutting and reusing all in a perfect size package. The next step is, we have the bandsaw now entirely out of the carton and on the stand. It was 3 of us who did this. We suggest, do not do this alone. Take the help of someone as the bandsaw is quite heavy and big. We got the bandsaw on the stand and tightened all the bolts on the stand. There is a wrench that comes along with the packaging for tightening the bolts. However, we recommend getting hold of a ratchet wrench as it will speed up the process of tightening the nuts and bolts. Next up, we have to install the table, the hand wheels, fence, and then finally it will be ready for its first test. The tabletop attaches from the underside using 4 bolts. What we like about it is that these use Allen wrenches for connecting easily into the tapped holes on the bottom of the table. Make sure you clean off the protective grease on the tabletop with any degreasing substance that may be lying around in the house. Post that, please do not forget to reapply a coat of something that will protect it from rusting. We suggest using paste wax as that is what we use out here on any metal to prevent it from rusting. The fence bar is attached to the table through 2 holes in the front. It locks the fence to the table with a few nuts tightened from the underside of the table. The fence seat slides onto the fence bar, and the fence itself slides onto that with 2 sets of bolts. Slide the fence seat according to your liking and lock it down with the help of the 2 sets of bolts. The first thing to do is to make sure the tabletop is 90 degrees to the blade both side to side and also front to back. We first set the table 90 degrees to the blade left and right. The tabletop on this Rikon model tilts both left and right by releasing a locking lever placed at the back of the saw and rotating the knob. The knob will tilt 10 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. Make sure the blade is tracking right in the center of the upper wheel. There is an adjustment knob on the back of the saw that will move the blade either forward or backward on the top wheel. As you spin the upper wheel, go ahead and try to take a look through the handy window on the side. You can make these adjustments with the knob by moving the blade either forward or backward to get it right in the center of the upper wheel. There is also a lock on the adjustment knob that helps lock the position of tension on the blade. You can lock and unlock it by pressing it upwards and downwards respectively. The wheel adjustment and the blade selection guide by using the window to check on the blade centering and tension helps you save time for your work and bring quality to your work. This feature offers smoothness and precision to your work. When it comes to changing blades, you can quickly alter the blade tension. Also, when you turn off the machine, the tension release increases the blade's lifespan at no inconvenience to you. The tabletop is extensive like most competitive brands. It is one of the most comprehensive in the market, which offers an ample workspace and area to place your piece of work. The tabletop quality is excellent. The bandsaw helps make the user some precise cuts. The user can do the job of resawing very quickly. The 13 inches capacity of the bandsaw will help you resaw a variety of materials, and that too with the right consistency. Often bandsaws require riser blocks to make precise cuts. With the Rikon 10 to 325 14-inch Deluxe bandsaw there is no need for that. You do not need anything extra for your precise cuts and resawing needs. Overall, the assembling part was easy. A 14-inch bandsaw is a great size for a workshop. The Rikon bandsaw offers over 12 inches of resaw capacity paired with a 1.5 horsepower motor. Also, it has a good 13 inches of depth for curve cutting and other operations. If you are looking for a workshop bandsaw that makes cuts and rips with smoothness and precision, you should check out the Rikon 10 to 325 14-inch Deluxe bandsaw. With an impressively powerful motor, it also performed great for resawing work. There is an excellent variety the bandsaw offers for making adjustments in blade tension, fence, and much more. The speed of sawing can be adjusted quickly. There is a reason why the Rikon 10 to 325 is an award-winning bandsaw. It is reliable and makes your woodworking tasks much more manageable. From precision to time and energy-saving features, this saw machine comes to you at the affordable cost. Priced at $1,153, this award-winning bandsaw is durable, reliable and is worth all the hype. There are very few points on which the bandsaw disappoints. We say the saw is suitable for both experts and beginners. It offers plenty of space to work on and a lot of power. Plus it is easy to set and start learning on for beginners.